Aloha friends, welcome back to Miss Connie's Pre-K Corner. Today let's compare and contrast pumpkins with jacks.
When we compare things, we look for what is alike about them. When we contrast things, we look for what is different about them. Name 3 things that are alike about these pumpkins. One, all are pumpkins. 2, all have stems. 3, all have at least some white color on them. Name 3 things that are different about these pumpkins. The stems are different. One is mostly orange. The one in the middle has a flower on it. You are learning to compare and contrast.
Thank you, Jacks. So boys and girls, to compare means to look for things that are alike or the same. And when we contrast, we look for things that are different or not alike. Please remember to like and subscribe for more pre-K lessons. Until next time, aloha for now.